Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing another Dutch pour today. I'm doing a split base with Oxide Black by Amsterdam on one side and Titanium White by Amsterdam on the other side. If you're interested in the paint ratios, you can find all of those listed in the description box, along with links to all the paints as well as to all the other supplies too. Okay, so we're ready for the colors. This is Primary Magenta by Amsterdam. Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics. .24 Karat Gold by Deco Art. It's their Extreme Sheen Metallic Paint. Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. And finally, Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. While it looks a creamy color now, against a dark background, it'll dry a really pretty shimmery blue color. Okay, so let's blow this out on the lowest setting on this little hairdryer, which I also have linked in the description box. So I like some of the colors as well as some of the cells that are forming, but I think the composition needs a little bit of work. I may just play around with that a little bit. I really like the purple lacing, and I'm really curious to see how that pearl blue is going to dry. I'll show you the dry result after this too, so you can also see. Some of the cells that formed are interesting looking too. Well, let's see how it dries. Wow, so I really love that pretty shimmer of the pearl blue color. Maybe it's not the prettiest painting ever, but I think that that shimmery blue color helps make it a lot better. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.